what's up everyone, how's it going? This is a small extract from my last video on JavaScript array methods. I'm going to link that video down below. Make sure you check it out if you're interested in finding out more about how to manipulate arrays. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you know whenever I release new content on this channel. To all my subscribers, thank you so much. I hope you enjoy this video.
Let's have a look at the array sort method. The sort method is going to sort all the elements in an array into ascending order. So as an example, if we have an array of numbers, it's going to sort them numerically in ascending order. And if we have an array of words, it's going to sort those alphabetically as well. The sort method also takes an optional compare function, which lets us create some custom sorting logic. So over here, if we have an array of numbers, we can write a custom sorting method here. Over here, we're going to sort in ascending order, or we're going to sort in descending order like we've done. So if I comment that one out, we can see that it sorts ascending or it sorts descending, depending on the logic that we use. Just to break this out and make it more clear, essentially what's happening is we're writing ages.sort. We're using arrow functions, but we can write normal functions as well. And the logic here is if A is more than B, return 1. Else if A is less than B, return -1. Otherwise return 0. So if we want to switch this, we could put -1 here, and now we have descending order. When it comes to sorting strings, it's the same thing. If we want to sort in ascending order, we just call the sort method, and if we want to sort in descending order, we can use the logic we created above, and it will sort it in descending. We can also sort objects by properties. So in this example, we are using the compare function and we're comparing the age of each of these animals, and we want to sort them from oldest to youngest. So we're going to do B minus A to sort in descending. We can see that cat, whose age is 5, comes first, and then dog, whose age is 3, comes second. Finally here, I've created a custom sorting algorithm. So if we have an array of numbers and we want to sort these by the number of times they appear in the array, we can use any JavaScript code within the compare function. So here I am filtering down and counting the number of times each element appears and sorting by that, and we can see that we get 2, which appears 3 times first, then 3, which appears twice, and finally we have 1, 1. We can actually optimize this as well. If we wanted to, we can create a count method and then just return count B minus count A to sort that descending. And in fact, we can add a dictionary and optimize it further. So now, instead of having to count the number of elements each time, we're actually caching once we've counted the number of each element, so that the next time that element appears, we can just use the cached value. The reverse method literally just reverses the order of an array. So here, if we have 2 names, Dexter and Snoopy, and we call names.reverse, just like that, it's literally just going to flip the order of the array. So now the element at position 1 is at position 0, and the element at position 0 is now at position 1.